All right, despite knowing how bad it is for us, about 40 million Americans continue to light it up and smoke. It's the single largest preventable cause of disease and premature death in the world.
Today's the Great American Smokeout, and what it's been is a national effort trying to get people to quit, not just today, but every day. ABC 2 News' Ashley James went to the experts for tips on kicking the habit.
So it's an addiction like every other addiction. It's no different than heroin or alcohol or any other addiction.
Dr. Kevin Ferentz is lead physician at GBMC's Owings Mills Primary Care Office. He says most people associate smoking with heart disease, lung disease, and lung cancer.
Actually, cigarette smoke adversely affects every organ in our body. Our brains, our eyes, our ear, nose, and throat. It causes 40% of all cancer.
And kids are also picking up the bad habit. Approximately 4,800 kids a day start smoking. Dr. Ferentz says a lot of it has to do with what they see on television.
The tobacco industry pays the producers of movies to put smoking characters in movies, even if it doesn't advance the plot at all, just so that there are these subliminal messages that people can smoke and should be smoking. So that's part of it.
When it comes to quitting, there are some important steps to take.
You have to tell everybody that you know that you're going to stop smoking. You have to set a quit day. Very important.
And that date should be in the near future. Dr. Ferentz says make it a holiday, a birthday, or an anniversary.
Another thing that we tell people to do is during the week before quit day to buy a different brand of cigarettes each day. So it doesn't taste as good. You still get your nicotine, but it doesn't taste as good.